Every time you open Instagram or TikTok, your money disappears. But do you know why? Today, I'm revealing the secret behind these sneaky online spending traps. Hey, have you ever bought something after watching a video or scrolling through your feed, even though you didn't need it? This problem is bigger than you think. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to protect your money and stop social media from draining your wallet. Here's an example. You're scrolling through Instagram and an influencer shows off the newest gadget or outfit. A few seconds later, you're clicking buy without thinking. Why does this happen? Social media algorithms and psychology tricks are designed to make you feel like buying is urgent. This doesn't just hurt your budget, it increases financial stress too. Solution 1. Turn off shopping notifications and ads. Platforms track your clicks and likes to show products you're likely to buy. Limit ad targeting or data access in your settings, and you'll feel much less pressure to spend. Solution 2. Use the 24-hour rule for online purchases. When something catches your eye, wait a full day before buying. This pause helps you decide if it's a real need or just social media hype. Research shows this simple step can cut impulse spending by up to 50%. Solution 3. Curate your feed intentionally. Unfollow or mute accounts that constantly push shopping or luxury lifestyles. Instead, follow accounts focused on saving, investing, and smart money habits. Over time, your feed will support better financial decisions instead of draining your wallet. Bonus tip. Use a budgeting app to track all your online spending. Seeing everything in one place makes you more aware and less likely to overspend. So next time you scroll social media, remember, your money is at risk. But with these strategies, you're in control. If this video helped you, hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share your favorite money-saving tip in the comments.